Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a registered sign symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a registered sign symbol on your WPS spreadsheet, I'm just going to show. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option on the top of the spreadsheet. Then just click on the symbol option. You can find a lot of symbols here. So actually it has a custom symbol option here, and here you can find the registered sign symbol like this. So you can just directly insert the symbol from this custom symbol. If you don't find the registered sign symbol there, don't worry, just click on this and click on the more symbol. Then you just need to click on the special character symbol, and here you can find the registered sign symbol, so you can just insert. You can see the difference between the two different symbols because of the font. And I just going to show another way. So I just click on the symbol option and click on the more symbol option here, and now you just need to change this you just want to change the thing to the Latin supplement. So whichever font you just use, just change it to the Latin supplement, so you can just insert the registered sign symbol. So you can find this is another different type of registered sign symbol. If you just change to another normal text, and you can find the registered sign symbol here also. So we can just change the font, but the subset should be a Latin one supplement. So this will have the registered sign symbol here on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.